future doesn't happen by accident. It's engineered with precision, discipline, and vision. At Ameritex Machine Fabrication, the future is built in metal. Across more than 100,000 square feet of advanced manufacturing, Ameritex brings together the latest precision technology to turn complex ideas into production-ready reality. High-powered fiber laser cutting systems, automated press brakes and precision forming, turret punching and hardware insertion, spot welding, robotic welding, and skilled manual welders. From assembly to powder coating and wet painting, including CNC lathes and mills, we have complete fabrication workflows. Everyone works together under one roof for a single purpose. Because when quality matters, control matters. We continue to invest where it counts. Our newest additions, a Salvagnini fiber laser, the P4 panel bender, and a Salvagnini press brake, pushing speed, accuracy, and repeatability to the next level. Technology isn't just about machines. It's about what those machines make possible. Tighter tolerances, faster turnaround, smarter production, lower risk. And we're just getting started with the recent acquisition of a new 150,000 square foot facility in Conroe, Texas. Ameritex is expanding capacity, capability, and opportunity. More space for innovation, more room for advanced equipment, more flexibility to support large, complex programs for today and tomorrow. This growth isn't accidental. It's the result of trust earned, standards upheld, and partnerships built to last. Ameritex is proudly American-owned, Texas-based, and deeply committed to strengthening manufacturing. Here, engineering meets craftsmanship, automation meets accountability, and every part is built with the understanding that what we fabricate powers industries, protects infrastructure, and keeps critical systems running. We don't just manufacture parts. We solve manufacturing problems. From early engineering, collaboration, and design for manufacturability to full-scale production, long-term programs, and even full-size metal buildings. At Ameritex Machine Fabrication, we're building that future every day. Build the future with us. Ameritex Machine Fabrication, the world's greatest sheet metal manufacturer.